Hi, thank you very much for watching My Little Life channel. In this channel, I introduce Japanese cooking using the ingredients I get in London. In this video, I introduce sweet potato dish called Daigaku-imo. This dish is invented Taisho era, which is around 100 years ago, and get very popular among the university students. That's why it's called Daigaku-imo, which means university potato. What we do is just deep fry sweet potato and soak into the sugary water. We eat this as a side dish of lunch or dinner. Also, we can just eat as a snack. So what you do is cut sweet potato in bite size. Shape can be anything, but I just really like this shape. Then after, soak with water like 5 to 10 minutes. Just to clean extra starch. Then dry with kitchen towel. Now deep fry sweet potato with vegetable oil. In this video, I only use one potato, but I recommend use 2 to 3 potatoes all together at once, because you can keep this dish for several days, so you can carry on eating it. Once it's done, put onto the kitchen towel and then wipe out extra oil. Now make syrup. Add same amount of the water and sugar into the small pan and heat it up. Try to melt all the sugar. Actually, lots of people caramelize the syrup and make it nice brown coating. Also put sometimes soya sauce or mirin syrup. This is my version. I prefer very simple sugary water and give very subtle sugary taste into the potato. Keep it very simple taste. Take off from the heat and add potato. Add sesame seed. That's it. You can enjoy when it's hot or after when it's cooled down. That's it. It's easy, isn't it? But it's quite authentic. I hope you enjoyed the video and find it useful. If you like this video, please check my other videos and subscribe to the channel. Thank you very much for watching and have a good day.